Damn. Damn. That's bad.
I genuinely couldn't see that the guy had spun, and then when then when I finally saw that he spun, like Hayden's car, like I can't tell what happened, but it seemed like his car just stopped.
Yeah, it stopped.
And I was like, well, I've got nowhere to go.
Oh, Alex just went to kick the rear quarter. Damn. Not bad. Alright, it's the day after Ikaten. Just got home from work. I've got the new arrow on the car. Obviously, we saw the damage. So we're gonna take the car to the body shop tomorrow and hopefully get everything sorted. We have an event in the end of December, Makawa Circuit with Team Charm. So hopefully they can get everything sorted before then. If they can't, then we'll have to skip out on that. But yep, car's all ready to go in for paint. So we'll see how much they charge us. Hopefully it won't be too bad. I'm expecting about 250,000 yen to 300,000 yen, so we shall see. Yeah, so as I was saying, we're gonna get the damage here fixed. This is from the Ikaten event, and then from Scuba, we had some quarter panel damage as well. So with the 2 quarter panels, they quoted me this one originally for 60. I'm assuming the other one's gonna be 100 to 120 just by how much damage is there. And then the whole aero kit should be about, with the fenders, about 80,000 yen to paint. So it's like I said, 250, 300,000. So we'll see what the quote is tomorrow and then how long they're gonna take. Originally they quoted me, oh yeah, we have a little bit of damage here, so that might be extra money. Originally they quoted me, I think 100,000, but that was without the front bumper and fenders and just the 1 quarter, so. Oh, well, there, you may as well add some more money there too. I forgot about the dent on the door, so we'll see, we'll see. But they were like a 1-week turnaround with just this quarter panel and the other stuff. So hopefully they can get it done in about 2 to 3 weeks and we can still make it for Makawa. Yeah. What do you think?
It's beautiful.
Looks very nice. What's up, guys? So, still trying to get a quote for the car. They told me to come back on Tuesday. So we decided to go to this park. I forget the name of it. I'll put it in the video. So yeah, just a little break from drifting. Got my work wheel lips in, so I'm gonna be building those work wheels as well. So we're gonna have 2 new fresh work wheels. So for now, just enjoy a little bit of this park. Bikkuri Donkey. So if you've never ate here, you definitely have to. It's open till midnight, and it's called Bikkuri Donkey, which loosely translates to basically surprisingly big. They have a bunch of like hamburger steak options that are really delicious. It's a very woodeny area, and this is the go-to right here. I already know what I want to eat. I've never seen a cola that big. For reference, this is my hand. Michael can't stop laughing. I got an XL cola, but I did not expect that. Oh, this is our food, by the way. Pineapple, hamburger, and cheese, but that's some cola. Nice.
It's a king.
All right, it's another day here at the garage today. Just dismounting some wheels, throwing away some tires. Just here at the on-base garage. Got my homies gram lights. Just the amount of tires off those. Make sure those get safely to the States. Still waiting to take the car to get another quote, but
gonna go hit some Big Bang later. Surprise birthday party for our buddy Matt. And yeah, just a very nice autumn day here in Japan.
look at these. You can't tell how bright these are in person, but they are bright pink. Super OG wheels. These were made in 2014. My buddy's been after a set of, well, he's got 4 more yellow, fluorescent yellow ones, but he's been after some of these too, so super cool. These will be going on his SR20 VET S14.
So unload these tires and go to Big Bang.
Where you going?
We're gonna try to chase Michael here. We've got 2 of the good cars now.
So Matt got a dope present. Bikkuri.
All right, this is the last run for the birthday party.
It's looking quite hectic. Alright guys, it's my first time trying it's called pepper lunch. We got some extra cheese, I'm gonna throw that all over. It's still cooking. Just gonna dump this sauce on it too, on the beef. Probably not the way you should do it, but I'm American, so it's really going now. Oh wow. Yeah, you cook the beef in the skillet. Oh, I've almost just lost part of my food. I got a little bit of sweet potato, some sprouts, an egg. Michael's cooking his. I got some rice. Delicious. All right, we're currently boxing up my boy Ryan's wheels. We went to Joyful Honda, which is basically like a big home and garden store. They didn't have the exact boxes we need, but we've made 2 boxes into 1 box. Well, 3 boxes into 1 box. So this goes like that. That wheel will go there. And then this, a little bit of added protection, but this will go on top anyways. This is like the skin over top. Oh, yeah. So just tape that. Now we have 2 wheels perfectly in 1 box. Thanks for the help, Michael. Yeah, we'll just tape it up and it should be sweet. Here you go, Ryan. Gram lights on the way. That is 1 completed box. 2 17 9J wheels in a makeshift box. Okay, now to the good stuff.
Oh my god. That's so nice.
Yeah. And I liked it the most because this is like the Ryukyu waves.
The way, yeah.
Okinawa.
Love it.
Yeah.
You know, I really needed one because I had another one from Liberty Walk, but now it's like all wasted. So.
Ah, perfect. Posters.
Cool. They're 40.
Oh, very nice. That's sick. Oh, wow, that bright. I'll just roll with it. Yeah, Michael's going back to Dubai. Unfortunately, he can't stay in Japan forever. So we just dropped him off. Gave him a little bit of Liberty Walk merch as a thank you, you know, for driving the Cube and hanging out and supporting and helping with media and just everything and just being a cool dude. So safe travels, Michael. Tomorrow we're gonna take the car to finally get hopefully a quote. So tomorrow, yeah, hopefully we'll get the quote for the car. So see you tomorrow. All right, I'm here at the shop. They're looking at the car. They've been looking at it for about 15 minutes now. They're pretty concerned about this damage, but I've assured them that it's a drift car and it'll be okay. The old man's got the big notebook out, so it sounds like it's gonna be a big price. Hopefully not, but yeah, I kind of feel bad because it is a lot of work and this is a small place, but they're super helpful and it's right next to where I work, so fingers crossed it's not too bad. Alrighty guys, didn't want to bother them while I was there, so I figured I'd record this when I got home. This is the final verdict, 330,000 yen. So the car's dropped off, they're working on it. It's gonna be done hopefully end of December. So that's cool. No more drifting until then, unfortunately, no Makawa, but it is what it is. We're gonna get the car back looking fresh. So I think that'll kind of end this video, kind of a car life vlog, if you will. Just to mix it up, just to put out a video, just see what's going on, kind of a little more behind the scenes than just going to an event and driving and that being it. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Again, as I said in the other video, we're gonna be dropping the Patreon very soon. Got a lot of cool stuff planned for people that want to support. A lot of cool things I think we can offer. I think 2026 should be a good year. I think we're gearing up for a really good year. Lots of cool content, lots of driving. So stay tuned for that. Again, like, subscribe, comment, notification bell, all that good stuff. I think the next video will be when we get the car back from paint. We'll walk around the car, talk about it, and then probably launch the Patreon on that video and just kind of talk about what we're going to offer and what's coming up. Next event probably will be post Auto Salon, which is like mid-January. There'll be a Wonder Games event. There's always a Wonder Games event after Auto Salon. So I think we'll unveil the car, if you will. It's not an unveil. I'm not even painting the whole car, but the car will be fresh, and I think it'll be cool to have it out for Wonder Games and launch the Patreon. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and the car will be painted. Catch you later. So already working on the car. I just came to get my driver's license, actually, funnily enough. Yep, there will be some bondo. I've already told him that that's understood, and then he's already fixed the damage on the door. So he'll paint that door, fix this quarter panel still. But yeah, already got the quarter panel pretty close. Just need a little bit more pulled out. But yeah, just need to bring him a taillight. I feel bad. They keep asking me, bring the taillight. I'm sorry. But yeah, progress already being made. So the car should be done before the end of December. Pretty cool.
So just came to drop off the taillight finally on the back, and the rest of the car is looking pretty sweet. Yep, they need the tail lamp just to do all this work back here, but the other damaged quarter panel, they pretty much just need to sand and paint it. So the door has been fixed, a little rust spot on the door is now fixed, and the front wings we'll definitely need to do some manipulation with the side skirts. But yeah, I think we're gonna add the OEM trim piece back on there and just make everything look sweet. But yeah, they've done a lot since I've came, you know, it's been 4 days, so sweet.